This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marnie Pacheco. Charming first floor corner property in the desirable, centrally located Towne Park North Condominiums. With 2 ensuite bedrooms, an updated kitchen and open concept living and dining rooms. The in-unit private laundry room has a full-size washer and dryer and plenty of additional storage space. New engineered wood flooring throughout. The primary bedroom features large, lighted closets and slider doors to the screened patio with a tranquil garden view. The property has full storm protection. There is an additional assigned storage closet in the building. Towne Park North offers ample guest parking, mature landscaping and a lovely poolside clubhouse. Just minutes to the quaint historic waterfront downtown Stuart or the beaches. All your shopping and dining needs are nearby. Offered fully furnished, may be removed, no pets or smoking please. For more information, review the details below.